Hey, welcome back. Happy Christmas. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the 2024 Winter Magic Spartan Limited Edition. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. The limited edition Winter Magic Spartan for 2024. Comes in a nice display box. Measures 2 7/8 of an inch wide, 5 5/16 tall, and right at 1 inch thick. The identifier number for this is 1.3603 decimal. What is that? Tango 21 Echo 1. It's a mouthful. So we open our knife up here. We get our kind of standard affair over the last few years with this folded up cardboard. And we get our knife, our care, use, and maintenance pamphlet, and our key ring. Which maybe I can get out of there without destroying the packaging. Come on. There we go. Got all of our things laid out here. Care, use, and maintenance pamphlet, pretty standard affair. And then we get our Spartan. Now, the Spartan is a 91mm 2-layer knife. I believe it measures about 5/8 of an inch scale to scale and is considered the base model. It's one of the most common Swiss Army knives. But this one has features, I should say, transparent ice blue scales with the magical winter design there. You don't see too many of the transparent ones anymore, but this is well done. And then the charm, well, it has a Christmas tree on it. Pretty nicely done. We get our key ring here, our 4-turn solid corkscrew. And we get the push pin hole, which is kind of hard to see with those ice blue scales. We get our standard reamer awl with the sewing eye and the sharpened edge. Get our standard cap lifter, or excuse me, can opener. With a little precision screwdriver there. The cap lifter now with 90-degree stop. Wire bender, wire stripper, and the hollow ground screwdriver. Is very stiff. Get your standard main blade, and for tang stamp you get Victorinox Swiss made stainless, the officer Suisse on the rear, your standard spear point blade, and then again Victorinox has done a very good job with coordinating the colors of plastic, so you get white this year. Go with the white and the scales. A toothpick, or excuse me, tweezers. Can't talk today. And again, another look at those beautiful scales. I don't know if you can see how transparent they are, but it's a really nice design on a very simple knife. Very well done. Really enjoy the looking forward to the Winter Magic series, the Year of Chinese Zodiac series. And I haven't seen a Swiss Spirit this year. I'm hoping they didn't continue that because I enjoy that a lot as well. Hopefully you do as well. If you've enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another. I hope you had a good Christmas.